How much oatmeal should I eat to lose weight? What is the oatmeal diet? The oatmeal diet involves replacing 1 or even 2 meals a day with oatmeal. The easiest way to put the diet into practice is to vary the amount consumed in 3 stages. Phase 1. During the first phase, it is recommended to consume only oatmeal with each meal. This is a process that will force your body to get used to oats. Phase 2. The second phase of the oatmeal diet involves eating oats 3 times a day. There is the possibility at this phase to add different fruits and vegetables. Your third meal can contain anything that is of course healthy and very low in fat. Phase 3. In the third phase, you can maintain a normal diet, reserving 1 meal per day with oatmeal. It is possible to add fruits, nuts and natural flavors to oatmeal to enhance its flavor. The benefits of the oatmeal diet. The oatmeal is an excellent nutritional intake. This is because it is very high in fiber and provides the calories and vitamins that a person needs while losing weight. The oatmeal diet has been considered in recent years as one of the best slimming diets, because it has many benefits. Cholesterol. The oats contain a type of fiber called beta-glucan which, according to scientists, can help lower blood cholesterol and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Intestinal health. Due to the fiber content, oats may aid digestion. It can help you increase the frequency and quantity of bowel movements just like other high-fiber foods. Satiety. Including oats in your daily breakfast can help you feel full for a long time because its viscosity slows down the release of food from the stomach and delays hunger-related signals in the gut. Blood pressure. The link between oats and blood pressure is uncertain, but many studies have shown that people who eat a diet high in whole grains are more likely to have healthy blood pressure. Plus, 2 other studies show that including whole grain oats in the daily diet helps lower blood pressure in people who are obese or who take hypotensive medications. This is the case with the DASH diet, which strongly encourages the consumption of a large amount of whole grain cereals. Glycemia. Oats may help manage blood sugar and improve the body's response to sugar by increasing its sensitivity to insulin. It may delay the absorption of sugar in the digestive system and thus control blood sugar levels and improve the insulin response. The disadvantages and risks. Like most diets, the oatmeal diet also has its drawbacks, which makes it a difficult diet to follow in the long term. This is because it does not provide the calories that a person needs to feel energetic. People who diet may feel sick, nauseous, and tired. You may be able to lose weight, but it will probably be difficult to keep that weight off after returning to regular eating habits. Excessive consumption of this cereal can present risks such as 1. Difficulties in maintaining weight loss. 2. Kidney stones, potential risk of extreme diets. 3. Increased risk of chronic health problems, such as osteoporosis and cancer. The oatmeal diet is potentially dangerous for your health. Like other fad diets that focus on just one type of food, the oatmeal diet is a very unbalanced approach to nutrition. While oats may be partially beneficial in the diet, it is not healthy as the sole source of nutrients. The other downside probably comes from the fiber content of oatmeal. Indeed, if you consume too much, you may have some digestive inconvenience. You should aim to eat a variety of fresh, whole foods, while spending more time being physically active for effective weight loss. There's another option you should consider when wanting to lose weight and burn fat. Click the link in the description for detail. Please subscribe, like and share to this YouTube channel.